start again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I've got a few Born Pretty products turn up. If I remember rightly, I think these are new jelly colours, I think. Oh yeah, I can actually see. I don't think you can see what I can see, but yeah, these are jellies. I'm not sure what this one is, so I'm going to get them all open, have a quick swatch, because I've no idea what to do with them until I see them. So I'm just going to get these all opened up. Right, guys, so as you saw, they all come in these boxes with the little window, and this one that didn't have a window, right, I know what these are. Right, so let me get you zoomed in. So these are new jelly colours. I'm going to swatch them all anyway, but what Born Pretty have done, I love this brand are just so innovative. The first to do, oh my gosh, look at that colour. So this is not a set of 6 or anything. This is just 6 colours that I picked. Milky white, I needed that. Yeah, this is just 6 colours that I picked random. But Born Pretty are doing sets of jellies that come with this. And this is like a magnetic topper. Oh wow, look at this. Like, yeah, like a super shine cat magnetic gel. So I'll show you what they all do. I'm going to give them all a quick swatch first. So let me get them in some sort of order. Right, so this first one hasn't really got a number. This is just Milky Jelly Gel. This is their Milky White Jelly Gel. Brilliant for milk bath nails, and if you want to do a baby boomer but you want that white a little bit more subtle, it's a really good one. It's not too sheer. I've had some Milky Whites recently and they're just, you need 2 or 3 coats to get that milkiness. Whereas this one, it's just got that perfect milkiness, hasn't it? Even in 1 coat. I really like that one. Right, I'm going to stick that in the lamp. So these ones are from the new jelly range. This one is JN27. Yeah, I just picked these at random. So this looks like an orange, because I have already got some jellies from Born Pretty. I think I tried to get colours that I'm not sure I've got. These are glass proper jellies. No milkiness, just pure glass. Exactly what a jelly gel should be. Yeah, I can see these being fantastic. Right, JN38. I'm so sorry, my partner, or should I say ex-partner, he's having a disco party by himself downstairs. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Oh my Gideon. That's it, done. Look at this. Wow. Brilliant jelly gel. Right, this one, JN41. That pink just covered that nail in 3 strokes. This is a green. Oh my gosh, I think I'm going to need all of these. These are so crystal clear. You can build them up as well if you want them a bit darker, but they will still stay crystal clear. Look at this, how crystal clear they are. Ooh, these are good ones. What else did I get? JN43 is a blue. Oh my gosh, wait and see this one. Oh, these are so bright and vibrant. Yeah, I kind of went for a mixture of bright ones like this and the new pastel kind of colours they've got. Oh wow, look at that. Bright blue, and it is transparent. That is beautiful. Can you imagine glitter encapsulated behind these? Oh, nice. Right, and lastly, what did I get? JN46. Oh, this is the purple. I had a sneak peek at this earlier. This one's one of the deeper coloured ones. Wow, this is like an electric purple, isn't it? Look at that. Gosh, these are bright, vibrant jellies, aren't they? Wow, look at this. Bright jellies. Right, let's get that in the lamp. Right, I'm not going to top coat them I'm going to show you what this does first. I don't know what colour to do it over. Let me get this last one out. What was that last one? Purple. Look at these colours though. Yellow, pink. I said that was orange at the beginning, didn't I? Yellow, pink, green, blue, purple. They have got darker greens and darker yellows, but I just got a random mix. This is not actually a set, but they could be. These are my favourite. I think just because they're the brightest and boldest out of the lot. Right, so I think I am going to do, what colour was that? Green, blue, purple. I think I'm going to try this over the pink. Right, let me move these off to the side for now. So, yeah, this is a magnetic gel. And I'm just going to give the nail a coat of this. Yeah, this can go over any colour, this magnetic gel. Make sure I've got enough on there. They have actually got instructions on the website how to do it. But I can't be bothered to go back and find it. I'm just going to have a little play with it. Wow, look at this. Let me try and get it over to one side. Look at that, just up one side. Isn't that beautiful? Wow, I love it. So that could go over any colour. I don't want to cure it, I want to have a play with it. Shall we give it one more swipe and do it again? That's the thing with cat eyes. If you don't like how it's come out, just swipe over it and do it again. I'm going to push it all down like a French tip. Oh wow, look at that. Isn't that cool? This is so cool, look at that. It's like a French tip. Right, I'm going to stick that in the lamp. And I think we'll do it over this purple one as well. Shall I do my little cheater thing? Oh, look at this. I love it. Right guys, so that's them all swatched on their own. I did the purple and the pink again, just so I've got the jellies on their own. I love them. They're just so bright and vibrant jellies, aren't they? Really, really good jellies. That pink is crazy. I like the milky white as well. So that was the cat eye that they've brought out to go over these jellies. I mean, you could put them over any colour, but they're fantastic to go over jellies, aren't they? You could paint that with a detailer brush around a French smile line to get that crisp, neat line. And then use the magnet. Fantastic, aren't they? You can do all sorts of effects with these cat eyes. And I love that it's just silver, because that would go over any design, wouldn't it? I love that. I love that. So yeah, the cat magnetic stuff is the Super Shine Cat Magnetic Gel. I'll leave direct links to everything in my description box anyway. And they've brought out, I don't even know how many colours. I'll put a picture up on the screen. Loads of new colours. They've got all your regular bright colours like this. And then there's like candy pastel jellies. All sorts of colours. Nude jellies, everything. They've got a black one as well. I'm sure I already had this. I don't know why I ordered that again. I'm sure I already had it. But yeah, I absolutely love them. Anyway guys, that is it for today. I definitely need to do something with these. This pink is going to be fantastic for summer, isn't it? Yeah, anyway guys, that is it for today. Guys, don't forget my code gives you 22% off now. It's still Aggie20, but it gives you 22% off. It's a really good one. Always remember to use that Everything will be in my description box, guys. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.